Hey, it's Michael Saul. It is 12:12 a.m. on July 14th, 2011. Happy Bastille Day if you're celebrating. This is a stock market trading watch list for Thursday, July 14th, 2011. Since there's no watch list to really update, I will do a brand new one here. So let's look at VHC. VHC has been showing some really nice relative strength. It broke out of a nice looking base, and now it's coiled up here. So this one can be watched for a move either way. On the upside, if it can really rip through 40 with some nice volume, then we can throw up the weekly chart here, and you can see that we're pretty much in blue sky territory if that were to happen. Now, if it were to break down out of the coil, I'd be watching these moving averages right here for support. EXPD, okay, had a nice little pop up here, kind of looked like the overall market. Now pulled back, and you see two closes right below the moving averages, but it's like they're hanging there saying, do we really want to break that moving average? So watch this one here. If we get some strength in the market, this one may be one that can get right back up above the moving averages, and it's not a real volatile stock, so something to keep in mind. Now, if this were to give way, all right, we could throw up the retracement lines here, and we could see that the next level would be 49.89 and then 49.09. That's EXPD. And then HFC, okay, Holly Frontier Corporation. And this one looks like it's in a little bull flag. Okay, nice relative strength. Showing a little bit of weakness lately, but nowhere near what the market has been showing. And if you see the Fibonacci grid here, we're above the 78.6% retracement. That suggests that we're going to retest this high here. So let's see where we are now. We're at 71.42. At a minimum, we should retest this 80.55 high, but the rule says that once the 78.6% is broken, so we're looking at 84.50 on this one for a potential target. So watch this one, see if it'll set up in this bull flag and see if it can come out of this. I wouldn't be guessing at this one. I would wait and see, but it's looking nice here, so this is definitely one to pay attention to. Let's look at a couple of the usual suspects, I guess. All right, Apple, Doji, right at the highs. Is it going to break out here, or is it going to get the pullback down to the moving averages? Googleicious, okay. See Googleicious here had this reversal candle here, possible lower high. Watch these moving averages. Amazon, okay, was pretty strong on the push up here, and now it's just kind of meandering. So let's see what sets up here. And you got to also keep in mind that we're in the beginning of earnings season here. So there could be some variables thrown into the mix. Just be careful as you're looking at these, and always check for earnings dates. I'm not doing that here because it would just take too much time to go through them all here. Here's Goldman. All right, Goldman just under the 78.6% retracement means that we should retest that low here if, of course, we follow through and don't just reverse. But if there's weakness in the market, I'd be watching Goldman as a potential short. Rim, okay, still looks like absolute duggadoo, and is in a little sidecar pattern, I like to call this. So watch that one. Let's look at Caterpillar. All right, also an inverted hammer, potential lower high here. Nothing really going there. John Deere, definitely weaker than Caterpillar. Somebody wrote me and it wanted me to look at this one. And if this gives way here, okay, this little ledge here, right? First you got the trend line up here, and then you got this little speed line, right? You could draw in. So let me draw this a little bit better. So you can see we're below the trend line here. So if this drops from here, watch for a retracement down. Okay, and gold and silver, people want to look at. Okay, gold is now above the 100% retracement. So we talked about this yesterday. And 156.57 would be the next target. And SLV, okay, nice day on Wednesday, up 6.5%. So is this going to finally catch up to gold? Well, There's a while to go before it catches up to GLD, right? But it was a nice start here. I want to see if it can get over 37.72, and has to get over it with a bullet, so to speak, right? Has to get over it with volume. Because right now it's just a retracement in a really sharp move to the downside. That's it. Have a great trading day on Thursday. Once again, happy Bastille Day. I'll talk to everybody again on Friday.